Hello guys, today we discuss about follow-up questions part 3 of describe something that you did with someone or a group of people. It is a 6.5 and 8 band sample answer. Before watch, please subscribe my channel if you like my channel and let we start now. Part 3 follow-up questions. First question is, how do you get along with your neighbors? 6.5 band answer is, I really feel good to get along with my neighborhood people as they are very familiar to me since my childhood. We have done many things together and celebrated many events and festivals together. So I consider them as my family members. 8 plus band answer. I truly feel better to coexist with my local individuals as they are intimately acquainted to me since my young life. We have done numerous things together and celebrated numerous occasions and celebrations together. So I think about them as my relatives. Question second. How do neighbors help each others? 6.5 band answer. Neighbors help each other in many ways. They guide each other. In emergency situations, they are the first responders, and in the times of crisis, they stand by each other. So, in this way, they help each other. 8 plus band answer. Neighbors assist each other in numerous ways. They with directing one another. In crisis circumstances, they are the first responder, and in the hours of emergency, they stand by one another. So, in this manner, they help one another. Question third. Do you think neighbors help each other more often in the countryside than in the city? 6.5 band answer. In the countryside, people know each other very well and they have very limited resources, so sharing is more often in the countryside. On the other hand, in cities, people are more occupied in personal and professional ways, so they only share limited time together. In cities, people have their own resources, so they are less dependent on others. 8 band answer. In the field, individuals know one another well overall and they have extremely restricted sources. So, sharing is all the more frequently in the open country. They gain in urban communities. Individuals are more involved in private and expert way, so they just offer restricted time together. In urban communities, individuals have their own assets, so they are less reliant upon. Question fourth. How do children learn to cooperate with each others? Answer 6.5 band. Children learn cooperation in school and neighborhood when they play together outdoors and do outdoor activities together in school. School teaches them group activities and makes them more tolerant and caring towards each other. 8 plus band answer. Kids learn participation in school and neighborhood when they play together outside and do exercise together in school. School shows them bunch exercises and makes them more open minded and minding towards each other. Question fifth. Do you think parents should teach children how to cooperate with others? How? 6.5 band answer. Absolutely yes. Parents are the first teachers and they teach the basics of social life. Parents should teach basic qualities like respect, honesty. They should teach these qualities at an early age so that their children can imbibe these qualities into them. 8 plus bad answer. Totally yes. Guardians are the main instructors and they show the rudiments of public activity. Guardians ought to show essential characteristics like regard, trustworthiness. They ought to show these characteristics at an early age with the goal that their youngsters can guzzle these characteristics into them. Question 6. Do you think it's important for children to learn about cooperation? 6.5 bad answer. Absolutely yes. Cooperation is the first thing that leads one towards success, and by collaborating and helping others, children can become responsible citizens. Cooperation can be learnt by doing group activities and taking part in social events. Even playing games can teach good teamwork in children. 8 band answer. Totally yes. Participation is the primary thing that leads one towards progress, and by teaming up and helping other people, kids and can become dependable residents. Collaboration can be advanced by doing bunch. Thank you.